Hi! In front of me is POCO M5S, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings, then click on Bluetooth section and tap on this switcher in order to activate it. Now you need to wait for available devices to show and click on the chosen one. Then, in order to connect, select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to do exactly the same. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. You can disconnect them by choosing this icon next to the device and tapping on Pair. If you wish to connect to the same one, click on it and select Pair one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!